Hi everyone, Peter from Peter Tech is here. Okay, today money saving tip is how can you save 15% on parts, service, and accessory for your car. If you are a Costco member and you may or may not aware, of course you may not aware if you come to see my video, you may not aware that you can get 15% off from the service and part or the accessory from even from your car dealers. Okay, through the Costco auto program. Let's see how. Okay, let's say that hey, my car needs a oil change, and then I have been waiting for the dealer to send me a coupon, but I know that they sent me last month. They sent me a coupon, but it's expired, and I have coupon today. How can I do? Okay, and then you click on the how, and then you put your zip code. You put your zip code, okay, and then you get started. Okay, and then you have to put all your information in order to locate a participating service center. And of course, normally you would need to call to set up an appointment. Like some of the service, for example, for the major service or major maintenance, you need to make an appointment. But some dealer may get you express oil change, then maybe for the oil change you may or may not make an appointment. And of course, don't forget to present the coupon, okay? And then when you go, you present the coupon and it should be there. I'm gonna put in some information and they're gonna show you what is listed. Of course, your Costco member is required. Once you are ready, you click on the locate service center. Okay, now it shows me that I can save 15% if I go to Nam Lips Honda at West Covina. Okay, based on the information that I put in. Okay, then locate the closest service provider. Normally, if you do any service or maintenance or you want something important with them, the dealer offers you 1 year's warranty after that. Then you can have a peace of mind for a year, right? If you replace some part. Okay, and then I have to print my coupon and bring it there. So let's see the coupon. Now this is how the coupon look like. Sorry for the cut off a little bit on the top. It's mentioned with the red ink saying that get 15% off, and it tell you again how it works. It even have the instruction for the cashier how to do with it. Okay guys, hope this video is useful and could save you some money. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe so that you will not miss the next one. Thank you. Bye.